Jamaican-born US TV news anchor Ruschell Boone dies at age 48 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica-born US TV anchor Ruschell Boone passed away at age 44 years old. Ruschell Boone, an award-winning reporter and anchor for the New York City TV station NY1, has passed away after battling pancreatic cancer for the past year, the station announced on Tuesday. Boone, 48, died Sunday, NY1 said in a news release. She was a native of Jamaica. Boone joined the all-news station as a reporter covering the borough of Queens in 2002 and moved to the anchor desk with a noon slot in 2021. The station, now owned by Carter Communications, said Boone had a unique ability to connect with New Yorkers through the screen, in person, in a way that made her feel like a trusted friend. Boone was known for her coverage of the city's diverse immigrant communities. She reported on big stories like the Superstorm Sandy and protests following the killing of George Floyd in Minnesota. And she also was a fixture at the celebration, including Brooklyn's annual West Indian American Day Parade and the Times Square New Year's Eve ball drop. Boone won several awards over the course of her career, including a New York Press Club Award for Best Feature Reporting and a New York Emmy Award for her series, New York Unfiltered. After her cancer diagnosis, Boone took a leave from NY1 from June 2022 to March of this year for a grueling series of chemotherapy treatment. But she announced on social media on July 27 that her cancer had taken a turn for the worse. A number of individuals have took to social media just in order to offer their condolences to her family and friends. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.